Here is my DIY filter for larger ponds. Wanted to give you a breakdown of how it works and how to put it together. First, you have an input. It comes from the pond of your choice. Pump. You got a pipe doing about 3,200 gallons per hour on this particular setup. My pond is about 1,200 gallons. It comes into the bottom of this trash can, which is filled with lava rock. Since it's such a high volume of water, the excess goes to the drain pipe that goes back to the pond. But I also have this right here, this pipe, which runs to the top of this trash can next to it, controlled by a valve. This is filled with scrubber pads from Home Depot for floors. I have about 5 or 6 of them in there. So the water is going at about 200 to 320 gallons per hour through this down to the bottom, where it comes out and goes up back to the top of this trash can, which is filled with just normal garden rock from Home Depot as well. And then that drains from the bottom and then goes back to the same place where the large spill goes, and then back to the pond. And after about a month of running, our pond has been really nice and clear. Enjoyed good success. Right now it's changing of seasons, so we have a lot of leaves blowing in, giving it the somewhat of a tea color to the water, because I don't scoop out the leaves like I should. I should do it sooner. I think the best thing for this project is it was a learning experience. It works very nicely. Changes I would like to see are a 3 matching trash cans. Actually, so you see I have a stair step design here. That's because I have different sizes. I'd like them to be the same size, so I can just make them go across even, connect them all through the bottom, things like that. And then I did this on the cheap, which works really well. But this, I think, it would be better to have bio balls rather than rocks. And then the mechanical filter pad, I like my choice, but there's a lot better choices out there. All in all, this was a very cheap way to put a filter together. It's made of trash cans, PVC pipe, lava rock, floor scrubber pads. It's got garden rock, then the pump. And I wanted to do it this way because it's a chemical-free pond. I don't use any chemicals in any way. That way I can have plants and tadpoles and all that other stuff. It was cheap, easy maintenance, and it just plain works. So that's it.